Good morning, my dear friends. Today I am going to discuss the 5 mark important questions from the chapter 3-dimensional geometry. And the first question is, derive the equation of a line passing through a point and parallel to a given vector, that is vector b, both in vector and Cartesian form. Let's start the solution. Here we are finding the equation of line passing through a point and parallel to a given vector, both in vector and Cartesian form. So for that, let us consider a line passing through the point A and parallel to the given vector, vector B. So let this is a z-axis, y-axis and x-axis, origin, y-axis and z-axis. So let us consider a line passing through the point A and parallel to the vector B. Let position vector of the point A is OA vector and it is defined by A vector. It is what? OA vector is equals to vector A. And next, let P be any point on the line whose position vector is OP vector is equals to R vector. Vector OP is equals to R. I hope all of you understand. So B vector is parallel to this line. It means obviously AP vector is parallel to B vector. So therefore, from the figure, AP vector is parallel to B vector. If AP vector is parallel to B vector, then AP vector should be equal to lambda times of B vector. AP vector can be written as OP vector minus OA vector, which is equals to lambda times of B vector. We know that OP vector is defined by R vector, so R vector minus OA vector is defined by A vector. A vector is equals to lambda times of B vector. Hence, R vector is equals to minus vector A shifted towards the right hand side. It becomes what? A vector plus lambda times of B vector, and this is the required vector equation of line passing through the point and parallel to given vector. Call it as equation number 1. Now for finding the Cartesian equation, let us consider the coordinates of the points A and P in the Cartesian form. Let the Cartesian coordinates of the point P, x, y and z, which implies that position vector of the point P is OP vector and it is defined by R vector. Therefore, R vector should be equal to xi plus yz plus zk. And at the Cartesian coordinates of the point A, x1, y1, z. So which implies that the position vector of the point A is OA vector. It is defined by A vector. So vector A is equals to x1i plus y1z plus z1k. And the direction ratios of the vector B are A, B and C. It means vector B is equals to AI plus BJ plus CK. Here the direction ratios are A, B and C. Substitute these R vector, A vector and B vector in the equation 1. So equation 1 implies R vector means xi plus yj plus zk. xi plus yj plus zk is equals to a vector x1i plus y1j plus z1 plus lambda times of b vector means ai plus bj plus ck. ai plus bj plus ck. Now shift this x1i plus y1j plus z1k towards the left hand side. It becomes what? xi plus yj plus zk minus x1i minus y1j minus z1k is equals to lambda into ai plus lambda into bj plus lambda into c. So in left side xi minus x1i is present, so I is common, can be expressed as x minus x1 I cap. Yj minus y1j is present, so y minus y1j plus zk minus z1k is present, so z minus z1 is equals to lambda ai plus lambda z bj plus lambda c. So in left side there exists a vector of the form ijk form, and in right side also there exists a vector of ijk form. We know that if two vectors are equal, it means their corresponding coefficients of I, j and k are equal. So from the definition of equality of vectors, we may write coefficient of I in the left side should be equal to coefficient of I in the right side. It means x minus x1 should be equal to lambda times of a, and y minus y1 should be equal to lambda times of b, and z minus z1 should be equal to lambda times of c. So it means x minus x1 divided by a is equals to lambda, or y minus y1 divided by b is equals to lambda, or z minus z1 divided by c is equals to lambda. We just observe here these three quantities are equal to lambda. It means x minus x1 divided by a is equals to y minus y1 divided by b is equals to z minus z1 divided by c, and this is the Cartesian equation of the line passing through a point and parallel to the vector b. The Cartesian coordinates of the point A are x1, y1, z1, and the direction ratios of the vector b are a, b, c. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a look. Now the second question is, derive the equation of line passing through two given points. So we need to find the equation of line passing through two given points. So for that we need to consider a line passing through 2 points. Let's start the solution. This is a z-axis, y-axis and x-axis, origin. So let us consider a line passes through 2 points A and B, whose position vectors are OA vector is equals to A vector, OB vector is equals to B vector, and let P be any point on the line whose position vector is OP vector is equals to R vector. Now from the figure, vector OA is equals to A vector, vector OB is equals to B vector, and vector OP is equals to R vector. And also from figure, vector AP is parallel to AB vector. So from the figure, vector AP is parallel to vector AB. It means AP vector is equals to lambda times of AB vector, and AP vector can be expressed as OP vector minus OA vector, which is equals to lambda times of AB vector can be written as OB vector minus OA vector. Now we know that OP vector is R vector minus OA vector is A vector is equals to lambda times of OB vector is a B vector minus OA vector is A vector. Now shift this minus A vector towards the right hand side. It becomes what? R vector is equals to A vector plus lambda times of B vector minus A vector. And this is our required vector equation of the line passing through 2 points. I hope all of you understand. Now, for the Cartesian equation of line passing through 2 points, we need to write the Cartesian coordinates of the points A and B. Let the Cartesian coordinates of the point A is x1, y1, z1, B is x2, y2, z2, and P is x, y, z. Point P, x, y, z, which implies that position vector of the point P is OP vector, which is equals to R vector. Therefore, R vector is equals to xi plus yz plus z. And the point A is x1, y1, z1. Position vector of the point A is OA vector and it is defined by A vector. So A vector is equals to x1i plus y1z plus z1. And next the point B is x2, y2, z2, which implies that position vector of the point B is OB vector and vector OB is B vector. So B vector is equals to x2i plus y2z plus z2. Now substitute these R vector, A vector and B vector in equation 1. So equation 1 implies R vector xi plus yz plus zk is equals to A vector x1i plus y1z plus z1 plus lambda times of B vector x2i plus y2z plus z2k minus A vector means minus xy minus x1i minus y1z minus z1. So minus x1i minus y1z minus z1. I hope all of you understand it. Now shift this x1i plus y1z plus z1k towards the left side. It becomes xi plus yz plus zk minus x1i minus y1z minus z1 is equals to lambda times of x2i minus x1i can be expressed as x2 minus x1 I plus y2z minus y1z. So y2 minus y1z plus z2k minus z1k. Z2 minus z1k. So here also xi minus x1i can be written as x minus x1i plus yj minus y1z, y minus y1z plus zk minus z1k, z minus z1k is equals to lambda times of x2 minus x1i plus lambda times of y2 minus y1z plus lambda times of z2 minus z1k. So here left hand side is a vector of the form ijk form and there exists a vector of the form ijk in the right hand side also. So therefore two vectors are equal if their corresponding coefficients of ijk are equal. It means x minus x1 should be equal to lambda times of x2 minus x1 and y minus y1 should be equal to lambda times of y2 minus y1 and z minus z1 should be equal to lambda times of z2 minus z1. So this can be written as x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to lambda and here y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to lambda and here z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1 is equal to lambda. So here these three quantities are equal to lambda. It means all these quantities are equal to each other. So therefore x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1 and this is the required Cartesian equation of the line passing through 2 points. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note.